Hello everyone. Let's have a look at the question. The question is, according to the complete replacement model, anatomically modern Homo sapiens first appeared in Africa. So, the solution is option B, that is, and migrated to other areas, completely displacing all premodern H. sapiens populations without interbreeding with them. The two major hypotheses that explain modern human origins are the complete replacement model and